Can you name this game?
A card game that you can play with 4 people. I don't know the name of it. If anyone knows the name, please leave it in the comments. And before we get started, remember to like, share, and comment. Okay, so when I play by myself, when I start, is I pretend like I'm playing with 2 people. Okay, usually do 10, but for this video, I'm going to shuffle. I'm only going to deal with a few. So I flip over now. One of the first things, I'm glad that came up, because one of the first things I should tell you is this Joker's and the King is wild. Because if not, the game would just take too long and it would bore me. So I play it that way. You don't have to play that way. So what you do is, the objective of the game is to get rid of this pile. So you flip over, and this is very fun with 4 people. So everyone can see your cards. You flip over your first set of cards. So obviously you're dealing the whole deck to everyone, and then you're doing this. So you're counting from Ace to Queen with the Jacks and the Joker's wild. So obviously what I'm going to start is come off with one of these, flip over. Okay, now I'm trying to get 4. I got a 3 here, so that's good. It's looking good for me. So now what I'm going to do so I can get to that quick is go use this Joker as a 2. Use that 3, 4. Now I'm closer to ending the game. Now, you also have to discard. So being as a 4 there already, I'm going to discard right here so that it stays in the screen. Okay, so this is my discard pile. You get 4. After you get 4, then you can pile cards on top if needed. So now I go again. And I should say, if you get rid of these 4 cards, this is important when you're playing with multiple people, you get rid of these 4 cards, you go again. So like a free turn. So now I can't do anything. I got the 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to discard the Queen. Discard that Queen. Again. Now for the 1, it's 2. No, can't do anything. I'm going to discard the Jack. 6. Still can't do nothing. I'm going to discard the 9 because I have a 9 there. Okay, 7. Can't do nothing. I'm going to discard the 4. 8. Can't do nothing, so I'm going to put the 8 there. 5, yep, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and closer to finishing the game. So now I got the Jack. So I believe I need to discard. So I'm going to discard the 2 here. Here are my 4 cards again. And let's see, 10, yep, 10, Jack. We need a 10, so it's going to be hard to get up to that Queen, and that book is done. Put it to the side. You discard, then you go again. 1, 2. Okay, so again, this is wild, so I'm going to make that as a 1, 2, nothing else. So I'm going to discard 1, 5. Again, 2, can't do nothing. Now again, 2, can't do a thing. Trying to get rid of that 10. So, let's call it 9. Drop down 7. Can't do a thing. Discard the 7. 3. Okay, great. Yes, 3, 4, 5. Can't do anything. Gonna discard this 2. Alright. So now, we discard, we go again. Okay, 2, Queen, and discard the Queen, go again. 4, 4 right here. Okay, 1, 2, 2, nothing. And discard. 2, so ace, 2. Okay, you go discard, so let's discard 4. And 5. Okay, do nothing more, so I'll discard 4, 7. Do nothing, gonna discard 3. Okay, so we got 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're gonna discard. Okay, ace. That's all you can have is 4 right there. So ace, discard 5. Okay, so we need that 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Game's over. So if you know the name of this game, please let me know. I hope you like that. Be sure to like, follow, and share, and we'll see you in the next video.